Hi, welcome back to Everyday Arrays. So it finally happened. I get home last night, trying to unload my differentials, my cool console that I picked up last night. Finally gonna have a cup holder that can hold a cup, a big cup. The one that's in the truck, the factory one, is kind of a joke. And my exhaust header that I'm gonna use for my future turbo. I don't want to mention it. You're gonna have to tune in for that. And I needed to get my jack out to get some work done. So I get home, yank on the and nothing happens. And I notice as I'm moving it back and forth, I can hear that it opens on this side, but nothing's happening on this side. And as I'm letting off the handle, you could hear this click. Let me show you. And you can actually feel it in the handle. So it's one of them common problems, but I've never experienced it myself. I've been lucky. So today I figure I might as well fix it, because I don't feel like climbing through this hole to get all my parts, especially a jack is not going to be fun dragging it through this hole. So I'm going to fix the tailgate and maybe show you how to do this so you can do it yourself. So alright, so first thing I'm going to have to do is to remove this cover. It looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws or bolts, whatever you want to call them, and it looks to be like a T30 Torx bit. So step one is to get the sucker out and see what the damage is. For that, I got my T30 Torx bit on my Milwaukee gun. So let's get the sucker out and see what the problem is. One, that looks like a screw, and now we know. And it's rusty and it's stuck. Now the trick is not to get them stripped, because then it's going to be more problems. Alright, 2 more, we get to see what's with all this dust. Alright. So they're all out, and the cover is out of the way. And just like I thought, you can see this clip broke off. So now if I can pull on both of them, I might be able to unlock it, unless the whole mechanism got stuck, and that's why it broke. So the way it works is you pull the door handle, you pull them in, and if this thing gets frozen, well, it opens and closes, and we'll be able to open the tailgate. There we go. Alright, this is how it works. Everything looks fine here, so it looks like the problem is just this clip. Alright, well, looks like if I just replace this clip, put it back together, everything will be back to normal. Alright, so let's go get a clip. Luckily for me, I saved the original tailgate that came on this truck that was badly damaged on the outside. So let's go and crack that sucker open, and hopefully we got a good clip. Alright, so this is my spare tailgate. I was gonna throw it away, but I never did. I just put it in the back. As you can see, it's got a bunch of dents, and it was a lot cheaper to replace it instead of fixing this one. And as you can see, well, it kind of works. So it's got this plastic cover on it. Looks like it is held by a couple of screws. This one looks like a 13 millimeter or a ½ inch, and this one's like a 12, maybe a standard size. So let's get the sucker out of there. Got my socket set. Let's try it. 13. Boom. It's a winner. Good old Milwaukee. Always saves the day. Alright. It is held. Let's see. Oh, the whole thing is moving around. Oh. What a surprise. Well, actually, it's not a surprise. I guess I found a lot of questionable fixes on the truck after I bought it, and I've been trying to get rid of all the fixes that the previous owner, or the owner before him, did, because I mean, I don't know why you can't put this thing back on there. Anyways, the good thing is that the clips looks to be in good working shape. So to get them off, you just got to pull one of the tabs off. So the trick is not to break them, try to remove them, and then they're mounted on the back. I'm gonna need probably needle nose pliers to squeeze them together and pull the whole thing out. So first, let's try not to. All right, here we go. All right. So the rod is out on this one, I guess. Now let me go get a needle nose pliers, and I'll get it out of there, and hopefully it'll come out in one piece. All right, so I got long needle nose pliers. Now the trick is to get right under there, squeeze the tabs, and carefully pull it out. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to need two hands for this, so I'm going to put the camera down for just a bit. Oh, did I break it? I think I broke it. Yeah, it's very fragile. So all I had to do is squeeze this tab and this tab and pull it out of this hole. Well, this one's it might be fixable. It's some epoxy, but let me see if I can get this one out without breaking it, and hopefully it's a good one. I'm not gonna hold my breath, but let's do the same thing. Pull this thing out, and then use needle nose pliers. Squeeze him carefully. Well, let's pull this rod out. Come on, don't break. Don't break. Alright. Let's straighten this thing out. Squeeze it. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down again. Alright, so this one came out in one piece, and you can see much better the tabs I was talking about. There's a tab number 1 and tab number 2. So you squeeze them like this, and then the whole thing comes out. Now let's go put this one in the tailgate and see if we solved the problem. Alright, so the fix should be fairly easy. Just install this how it was before. And so let's push it in just like so. Then we open the tab by pulling on this tab real quick. Then we put the rod back in there, and let's make sure it's adjusted the same way. See how there's just no play whatsoever? Same way, and then we're gonna lock it back in. Now, let's go ahead and see if it fixed the problem before put the cover back on there. Ooh. And it's working perfectly. Alright, so next let's put the cover back on there. Same way it came out. Just like so. Make sure all the holes match up. Booyah. Booyah. And we're going to put the screws back in, unlike previous owner on the other tailgate. So people, must be a Facebook mechanic over there. Let's take the tailgate apart and let's not put it back together. Let's put a cover over it, so that fixes everything. And not a single screw is lost. That's when you know you achieved the greatness. Where's that Milwaukee T30 Twerks? I like to do mine from the center and in the X pattern on pretty much everything. There's no need to get them all crazy, super tight. It just got to cover everything, and everything looks good. Alright, let's test it out again. Ooh. Well, that was a very easy fix. Took about 10 minutes. And as long as you have those clips, you're good to go. Or like me, I like to keep spare parts. And hopefully this will help you fix your tailgate issues. So I'm going to get back to dragging all this stuff out. And you guys are have a good day.